orders, and that's mandatory. When I'm top like I'm Mozzie, bitch, I keep it 40. You say I'm like it, nigga, try me, shoot you in your shorty. I'm cooking up in the lab like I'm Rick and Morty. 40 popper, hit a monster, turn your brain to pasta.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Aziz back here with another vlog. I don't know. Listen, it's 12 a.m. I think we're gonna start. Yeah. Bro, I'm trying to vlog this, you know, like if we die, I gotta get footage of this from my YouTube channel. You know, we're making some quality food right here. I think it's really essential to have, you know, the vegetables be really dry, you know, that's the crispiness, you know what I'm saying, guys? We got some
how's this working?
I don't know, we're actually gonna starve. Oh my god.
I don't know how this works.
We got some ice cream that it's only 2 months old, but
only 2 months.
I think that's good enough, you know. We got some chicken, again, only 3 weeks old, still fresh.
Everything is old.
It's a little bloody. It's a little you know, stained. Ignore that. Flesh crème de humana. Very delicioso.
That looks pretty good. It's not even brown, it's like tan.
I know, we adding straight cane sugar into that, you know. Not addictive at all. Hey, did we tell you you could come in here?
I don't care.
Slave.
I don't care.
I be like that.
Okay,
we're cooking food here.
Whoa.
Hey, I'm gonna be making pancakes, bro. This is.
Well, that's actually pretty good. You wanna try something?
Bro, my brother really just left the crust of a bagel in here. It's really nasty. I'm not even gonna lie. It's not funny anymore. All right, guys. The food, it's going pretty well so far, but I know we're striving out here, boys. Okay, but so one thing that needs to be addressed, and that's my brother. Now he's a little, you know, I'm sure you've seen him in a couple of videos. Shut up, Zach. Oh my god. I know. Yes, Zach!
What?
Do you want pancakes?
Yeah, sure.
Now see, that was the first normal response Zach has ever had, to my knowledge. Now, huh?
And you call me crazy?
Ignore him. Anyway, so guys, we're gonna make some pancakes. Yes, sir! Ignore him. Anyway.
Oh my god.
Did I ask? SMH. It's very fresh, man. I think we should add that. I know. That's hard. Do we have a measuring cup?
Actually, to be honest, probably not, because this house is dry.
I know. Not a single droplet of water here.
Nah. Wait. Oh, you wait. Bruh. Nah. Yeah, this house is OVO.
Alright, guys. We're making pancakes. We gotta use this cup as a placeholder measuring cup because kind of bright.
Hurry up. Never mind.
But yeah, it's going on well. Jesus Christ.
But I accidentally went in.
Was that necessary?
You should do dishes.
Yeah. Slave.
Shut up.
Why do you have a basketball inside?
Because it was outside of my basketball.
Black people be like,
This dude. Alright guys, update. The pancake situation, I don't know, it's not going too well. I'm gonna just do whatever, you know, I'm not used to proportioning this. Try to add water to it. Didn't make it go well, made it a lot worse.
Wait.
Let's go.
Well, don't do too much. Because
I know.
it's gonna overflow over the thing.
I'm gonna try to like balance it, spread it out.
He said, I got the girl in the club just steaming.
Whoa!
That's disgusting.
Wow. Yeah. Wait. Whoever's getting this first pack, I guess I'll just eat this, or Zach can have it. You know, he's Zach. I'm hoping that this isn't too thin.
He's dead, bro.
Ooh.
Bro, to be honest, I couldn't make what's the name.
Just twist them like a stir fry.
I could have eggs and waffles.
We could actually.
If I did it.
Do we have eggs?
Probably.
Oh yeah.
Man, no.
We got eggs.
Alright.
See, I'm not gonna move these. I don't want to drop them and break them.
Bruh.
I got all four.
It's so beautiful. I could. That actually really hurt. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Sure?
There's gonna be like 2 people explosive.
Eating that curry, you know what I'm saying? Eating that authentic Indian food, you know what I'm saying? We out here at JB and Jagoots, you know what I'm saying?
Left our food in the bread.
Oh god. It's just disrespectful to the, you know, the bagel plants. You know how hard they work to make that bagel grow off them?
I don't know.
That's crazy. Why is she cooking?
Yeah, we eating good food, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Is there black pepper in this John?
Come on, Zach, hit the wall just one time.
hello. I'm just violently shaking the camera right now. Oh my god!
I'll have it, bro.
What is wrong with you? Did no one else see that? This man just slid on his own feet.
Bro,
Exactly.
if I don't got black pepper, we not eating pepper.
Waffles.
Hey, did I say you could touch that?
I'm not touching it.
Did I say you could look at? Did I say you could think about that?
Thinking about waffles right now. No. You know how to make boiled eggs like your brother?
No.
So you guys, this is a professional egg chef. He's been doing it since he was 7 years old. He's received various Guinness Awards for best eggs in the whole universe. What?
He doesn't need to know how.
Bruh,
That's the most ramen noodles.
that's a forehead.
I never need to know how.
It's on the package.
Exactly. You put it in water. You put it in water.
And you boil it.
You put it in the microwave.
you're
All you
done.
have to do is put it in the microwave.
Exactly.
Get out of here. You just ruined the pancake, but oh my god.
This man said I don't have to make all this.
Oh my goodness. That banana's still looking so good though. Bro, this man really about to die. Bruh, R.I.P.
It's gonna go from
Wasted.
I'm about to end this man's whole career, now I'm about to end this man's whole life.
Yeah, so this is why you're not getting food.
What?
I'm kidding, God.
What? What?
Yo, why you be sounding like Waluigi? No. Give this man a backwards L. No.
Hey, well, Luigi, because I'm not in Smash Bros.
Wow,
You just killed the vibe. Wait, can you restart that?
Yeah.
Hey. It's like that. It's like mash. You got. Oh. Come on, Zach. Spit some rhymes over this real quick. Just rhyme words.
Oh no, Zach.
Come on, Zach. Just say like bread and a head and you still be dead looking red. Shoot your shotta. Ooh. I get your bada. Ooh. I'm from Nevada. Ooh. And I'm making the tacos. Ooh. The tacos with the ponchos. Ooh. Give me that jalapeno. Dude. You just ruined it.
Zach,
Yeah,
rap.
spit some bars right now. We know you're from the trap.
Rap,
You're in the trap house, bro. You see all this powder. Exactly. We have authentic cane sugar. Come on, Zach.
Like, can I say anything?
Yes, say anything.
Okay. My crew is big and they No.
Keep rapping.
Come on, Zach. Say it. Just say it. Zach, you know I got 5 subscribers. Like, no, like who's
If
gonna see?
you want to eat, you gotta rap. Come on now.
Okay.
This man said no.
Okay. To get to those kids on the street, you gotta rap in a hip hop beat. My crew is big and it keeps getting bigger. That's cause Jesus Christ is money.
What? Like, you know he's 10.
You can eat.
Okay, this man gets the whole plate. Come on, Zach. Come on, bro. And although we didn't get to burn down the place, yeah,
Hold up.
sorry about that. And although we didn't get to burn down the place, it was still fun. And what does the script say? I'm trying to read off the script right now. Outro about subscribing. Oh yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you like this video, if you like this random vlog. See ya.
You hear this song with restricted?
Could it be the way life catch up?